we are riding along the East River. New JFK highway, painted it underneath, nice purple color. Great morning for a ride. You should come join us. This is Prince Street right here in Soho. Cute little street to bike down, nice lane, although it gets very busy. Right now it's a little quiet, but on the weekend, a lot of cross streets. Well, here we are at Bethesda Terrace. Beautiful autumn day. You can see the Angel of the Waters fountain here. A nice little group of folks. Love the way the water is so calm, reflecting the trees. And the lake over there in the Ramble. It's really only 1 or 2 days a year when you get the mall. Beautiful with all the foliage here. Today happens to be one of them. Very special spot. Maybe another couple more days, and it'll all be colorful. There we go. There's my group behind me. Say hi, guys. Now we're looking across the reservoir here at Central Park. There's a running track around here. It goes 1.6 miles, and we have a beautiful view of the buildings, although it's against the sun. In downtown, you can see the tip of the Empire State Building, a few other buildings, City Corp, but I like to bring your attention to these 3 big tall buildings that are closest to us. These 2 right here, and one here on the left, Park Avenue Tower Residences, 96 stories, the second tallest building in New York City. You can get a place in there from 14 to 45 million bucks. Now we're going to take a ride down the final stretch of the marathon here. See all the flags of the various nations. There's my flag, United States of America. People looking, posing by their own flags. It's very beautiful trees in the autumn weather here.